Hello dear students, very good afternoon to you all. Today we are going to start our second chapter of EVS class 2nd. We already completed our first chapter yesterday and now moving towards our second chapter, and the topic of this chapter is our sense organs. Our sense organs. Basically what we study in these lessons are: what are sense organs? How do different sense organs helps the body? What difficulties do people face when they have problem with their sense organs? How do they manage their work? Before we start, we are going to read out this poem which is given here in this box. So we are going to read it out first. How do we know about the sun and the moon? How do we know that ice is so cool? How do we know about the fragrance of a flower? How do we know that a lemon is so sour? Laughter of our friends and the ringing school bell. How do we know? Is there anyone to tell? This poem is all about the 5 sense organs. Okay, this poem is all about 5 sense organs of our body. Now see here, identify them and write their name below the picture. So as we can see, some of the pictures are given here, and you all have to write the name of these pictures below these pictures. Like I have written here: eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. So basically human beings have 5 sense organs, that is eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Alright, so why are these 5 organs called sense organs? These sense organs act like windows of the body. The body comes to know things around us through these 5 windows. That means why sense organs are important. So sense organs are important because they help us to understand environment around us. Okay, and functions of sense organs, that means the classic 5 sense organs. Yeah, you can say like the functions of sense organ. Yeah, classic 5 senses are sight. Okay, sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch. Taste and feel of touch. These are the 5 classic senses. So this much for today, and today's homework is you just draw the picture of these 5 sense organ in your copy and write their name in copy.